This kind of behavior, this gundagati which is there in other states, will not be permitted in Goa.
Nobody is doing gundagati.
You should mind your language. How dare you? How dare you come and knock on the door? Claims all these television cameras here, that's a complete and total misrepresentation.
No, it is not misrepresentation.
This university is always available. Ungli niche karo. Ungli niche karo. We have not made a mockery. Registrar has said, declared some people ineligible. They have appealed and said, no, we are eligible. Vice Chancellor is seeing whether he needs to overrule the registrar or not. Maybe he will, maybe he will not. Maybe he will in some candidates, maybe he will not. Meanwhile, aap keh rahe ho ki election aap karwa lo. If there's somebody who has been incorrectly, because of some fault of the college, has been incorrectly declared as being ineligible, we hold the election process. Then when I look at it as the appellate authority and I find that this guy was eligible, this student was eligible, then is that not a maximum injustice?
'त्यांनी assurance दिले in front of the executive election committee की 26
फुडल्यान आमकां assurance दिला की 26th voting जातले.
म्हाका ABVP पयलीं फुडें काडलो की तूं राव आमचो कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून. मागीर जेन्ना म्हाका कळ्ळें NSUI आनी ABVP टायप करता, सो तेन्ना म्हाजे ते विचारधारेचे जे आमची आसा भुरग्यांचे स्टुडंट ते अगेन्स्ट आसा. सो तेज्या लागून हांवें BJP भाजप युवा मोर्चाच्या एका स्टुडंट स्टायलाक हांव सपोर्ट करता आनी तेंच्यांनी म्हाका पयलीं फुडें काडलो.
अशें जावन काल रातचें तांकां जेन्ना कळ्ळें की ABVPचें पॅनल जिखपाचें आसा म्हणून, तेन्ना तांणी शुभम सुभाष फळदेसाय ह्या भुरग्याचो फॉर्म भायर पडलेलो. ताणें VC कडेन कंप्लेन केली की आपलो फॉर्म इन करचो म्हणून, आनी तांणी थ्रू पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर इलेक्शन हे पोस्टपोन केलें. आज सकाळी आमकां कळटा, आज सकाळी 10 सुमार आमकां कळटा की इलेक्शन हे पोस्टपोन केल्लें आसा म्हणून.
We want to say thank you to the Goa University for taking our demand into consideration for postponing the election, and we are hoping that the 28,000 students that are a part of the Goa University get a right to select and elect their council rightfully.
So today morning, that particular candidate, namely Shubham Faldesai, he has furnished an appeal in the office of the Vice Chancellor. The moment the appeal is received, till the appeal is disposed of, either it is accepted or rejected, the election process has to be suspended and stayed. That is what happened this morning. The Honorable Vice Chancellor informed me immediately that the process should be suspended. And that's why today's election, which was scheduled at noon, had to be postponed. We will appoint a new DSW, and there is a committee also. There is a 9-member election management committee which assists the DSW. So that should not be a problem. But this is the assurance given that the voting will happen on 26th and the whole process is over before Chaturthi.